open, approach for the touch. My ocean is rough from the storm, and I hope that love will keep me warm. So I ask for a ghost dance deluxe. The eyes open, approach for the touch. My ocean is rough from the storm, and I hope that love will keep me warm. So I ask for a
in the midst, does she really exist? Qualities to qualify, man, I got a whole list. Whispers in the hallways, missing her always. Talking to myself, I don't care what y'all say. Fantasy phantom, this is your anthem. My mystery madam, disappearing at random. A band on the finger, heard it traps the ghost, but she never lingers long enough for me to come close. When I catch Miss Perfect, I'ma give her that ring. My friends keep telling me there's no such thing, but forget material girls, I need a paranormal chick from an ethereal world. Thought I saw one once and I just couldn't deal. How could I commit when I know she's not real? Standing by the sea with my ghost in the shell. Your flesh is flawed and I know this well, so I must make my decision. Passing up the real deal, waiting on the apparition. And one day soon I'ma get it together, cause I can't leave this night light on forever.
Dance deluxe, the eyes open, approach for the touch. My ocean is rough from the storm, and I hope that love will keep me warm. So I ask for a ghost dance deluxe. The eyes open, approach for the touch. My ocean is rough from the storm, and I hope that love will keep me warm. So I ask for a
no big deal, nothing to trip about, but I know it's real. There's one up in my house, she floats, flies, moves with grace, and she's not just a side effect of my imagination. I can hear her voice in the air, it's right there, it ain't paranoia, man, I swear. Female, delicate little iris, I might be possessed from the glimpses that I catch. I don't run, I chase it, through every room from the attic to the basement. I pursue, by virtue, got me up late, way past my curfew. There, wait, she's on the staircase, no scared face, not one hair raised. It's not even frightening, nah, I love it when she sing, and I wonder what she might bring. Ghost lady, you make me so crazy, you smell so good and you look amazing. I don't just need you to want me, you got me, and I keep you to haunt me.
Ghost dance deluxe, the eyes open, approach for the touch. My ocean is rough from the storm, and I hope that